Good morning, all. Today we are going to discuss about the one of the important question of types of forecasting. The types of forecasting it can be divided in four types: economic forecast, social forecast, political forecast, and a technological forecast. The economic forecast as a economic environment is a very critical determinant of business prospects. Economic forecasting is very important. So as a economic environment is in very critical, so it is also in a very critical to the in business prospects, and it can be every economic forecast it is also in very important to the in business. The economic factors consider include in general economic conditions, uh, and growth rate, per capita income, structural changes in GDP, and gross domestic price, investment and output trends in different sectors and industries, price trends and trade, etc. So in these factors, it can be it's also in a economic forecast. So growth rate, so per capita income, so environment, investment, and it's also industries, the price trends. So it can be structural changes. So in a GDP, so it can be included to the economic forecast. So it can be in every prospects in every forecast. It can be changed and determined to the effects of the environment. So next one, social forecast. Social trends have insignificant implications for business strategy. So it is also in social trends. Also, it is also in every business strategy. So therefore, in every essential to forecast the possible changes in the relevant in social variables, important factors included. So it can be every essential in forecast. It can be possible to changes in relevant in social variables. So it can be possible in changes are in it can be changed to the changes are relevant to the social variables that can be important factors included. So population of in a growth, so it is also in population of growth or a decline. So lifestyles, so lifestyle situations and social attitudes, and income levels also it can be affect to the in social forecast. And next one, political forecast. The political forecast uh, has an important part in envision properly the future scenario of the business. So it is also important part of the environment. So it is also in future scenario to the in every business. So relevant factors included to the changes in the in relative power of in political party. So it is also in the power of the political parties and political alliances and political diagnosis, and political factors also cover industrial policy. So it is also in political factors also it can be covered to the industrial policy also. The commercial policy and fiscal policy and international political developments are also important. So in this political forecast, it can be included to the industrial policy and commercial policies and fiscal policy and international developments, or also it can be included to the important. So next one, a technological forecast. The technological forecast it can be innovation and other technological development can drastically later the in business environment. So it is also in innovations and other technologies. So it can be in a drastically. So in every business technological forecast, therefore assume the great significance. So it is also in encompasses in not only technological innovations but also the in pace and extent and diffusion and of the technologies and their implications. So it can be not only to the technologicals and innovations. So it can be involved to the some technologicals also, uh, or implications of the in forecasting. Okay, this is the in forecasting. It can be involved to the some types and stages of the forecasting.